Hello, in this video, we will learn how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your website. For this, you need a WhatsApp business account. If you need to learn how to create a WhatsApp business account, please refer to the tutorial link in the description. Before we begin, determine the ideal location on your website to display the WhatsApp button. Common options include the header, footer, or floating sidebar. Open your preferred text editor or HTML editor and insert the following code. This code is also given in the description to make your job easier. Replace WhatsApp phone number with the WhatsApp number in the international format to which you want the button to link. Also, replace WhatsApp _button_image_URL with the URL of the image you want to use as the button. Now the final step, implementing the button on your website. Once you have the WhatsApp button code, locate the website page where you want to insert the button and open it for editing. Insert the WhatsApp button code within the HTML source code of the page. To understand the process I used for my website, refer to the screenshot attached. After inserting the code, save the modifications and publish the updated page on your website. The WhatsApp button is now published on the page. After adding the WhatsApp button, it's crucial to test its functionality to ensure it functions as intended. Let's click the WhatsApp button and verify if it initiates a conversation on WhatsApp with the designated phone number. It is working. By incorporating a WhatsApp button into your website, you can harness the power of real-time communication and streamline engagement with your website visitors. We also have another option where you can directly create a WhatsApp link using our WhatsApp link generator. Let's see how this is done. The link to this generator is also mentioned in the description. This is not difficult at all. All you need to do is enter your WhatsApp number in the international format, then the message you would like to send, and hit the generate button. Once the link is generated, you can copy and paste it across your social media platforms. Whenever the user clicks on the link, he will be redirected to chat with you. Subscribe to our channel to learn all ways to enhance user experience, provide efficient customer support, and foster meaningful connections through WhatsApp and many more.